Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tips YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how I repaired my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 joystick. So you can see my joystick is now fine, but it was broken because I kept my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in my pocket of my pant every time. So that's why because of a lot of pressure, my joystick was broken and it was not working. It was broken and it was like not working, and I could not move my camera. So how I fixed it, I took my DJI Osmo to the nearest mobile servicing center, as long as there is no authorized service center in our country and nearby. So I will take it to the nearby place where I took the risk. I told the local phone mechanic to open this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with my own risk. So what he did, he opened all the parts from here. Like he opened this part from here. He opened each and every part of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and at the last stage he was able to fix it, and you can see currently it is now working fine. If I show you, like here, it's now working, and I can now move. You can see it's now moving. It's now moving nicely. So this is how I repaired my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Currently it is doing fine and it's all okay. But I took the risk and I was very upset about that. And I took the risk because if anything unexpected happens, then maybe my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 would be like wasted. But luckily my local mechanic was able to fix it, and I'm now so happy. If you also find the same problem, like the joystick is not working, what you have to do, you have to open the part, and you have to open all of the parts. It's very risky. There are many parts. Somebody needs to be very expert to open this. Luckily my mechanic was very expert. Then you need to fix it. Yes, it's possible to fix without bringing it to the official service center, but you need to take it and you need to take the risk. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for tech updates. Thank you.